Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 19 of hour, 03 of minute and 33 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why is there a woodpecker pecking on my house? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why is there a woodpecker pecking on my house. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about why is there a woodpecker pecking on my house. Woodpeckers usually hammer on houses for one of four reasons: because it makes a satisfyingly loud noise that proclaims the bird's territory and attracts a mate. If the birds are drumming for these reasons, they will most likely stop once breeding has begun in the spring. They don't drum when looking for food. Last update April 1, 2009. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.